Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Do you want to streamline your Shopify store with automation? In this video, they will guide you throughout how to use Zapier with Shopify in 2024 to automate order management, customer notifications, and more. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So Zapier is a very useful tool, especially when it comes to Shopify. Now, Shopify is a tool or a platform itself that will help you a lot when it comes to making a store and basically publishing your product and getting sales. But it will be much more profitable if you were using Shopify with other platforms and making the workflow automated. Now, to do so, you might think we could go to Shopify and basically use the extensions. But extensions are basically tools that might help you. They are not automations. They are not something that will automate the work progress that you have, the workflow, and make it much more automated and not manual. So you don't have any, so you don't need any human interaction with it, so it does specific tasks. So today video we are going to talk about several use cases about Shopify and what are the events and triggers that we could use with Shopify to make it much more easier for us to do other things and let the easy tasks that will need our interactions to be done manually. So here we have this store, and the first thing that we need to do is to copy this. So you have to copy this URL name, as you can see right here. Then go to your Zapier account and click into the apps, and right after that search for Shopify. Normally, if you do not have it, it will show like this with 0 connections and 0 zaps. So I'm gonna just try to connect it again freshly. So I'll click on connect and this will open this page. Click right here, paste the code that we just copied from the URL, and then click yes, continue to Shopify, and you will be taken in the Shopify. So you need to install this app, and just like that it will be installed and confirmed. Once you have done that, then you have done quietly half the way and you are half the way in. So let's talk about the use cases of Shopify with Zapier. Now, in case you had customers, now you could make Zapier send them messages. For example, take all the data of your customers that you have already in Shopify and text them in WhatsApp or any other platform that is currently available on Zapier and send them, for example, the invoice, ask for confirmations, or ask for delivery address so you can confirm it. So these informations are very important that you might be doing it manually, but yeah, you could literally just make it much more easier just by making some zaps, some automated things that could really boost your project and productivity. And basically, you will save time, so you could be doing other things that can improve your site in general. So here, let's try, for example, to do what I said. So click here on create and click on zaps. This will take us to this area which has trigger and actions. So here you are going to choose trigger, and this trigger will be let's choose first Shopify. And this trigger will be, for example, new order. So go here, search for new order. So here it is. So this will trigger whenever there is a new order that has been created within our site. Now, the second thing is action. And I'm going, for example, to go to something like, let's say, Gmail. All right, we are going to keep it simple, not using their phone number. Instead, we are going to use their email address. So here, choose the action event. I'm going to send, create and delete an email. So send email. This will allow us, as you can see right here, to create and send a new email message. So here I'm going to select my Gmail account that I want to use it for this specific zap, and just like that, I will need to reconnect it. That's quite simple. I'm going to choose this account and I'm going to click on continue, click on allow, and this will allow the account to be connected again. Now we can click on continue and get to the configuration process. So let's go next. Here in this area, you will add to whom you want to send this email. So here I'm going to go ahead and basically finish the trigger first. So let's choose this account. All right, click on continue. Let's wait. This trigger. I need to create a new order because there is no order, but yeah, there's no need. I'm just gonna skip the test and continue to select the record, and there we go. Continue to, and here, as you can see, I'm going to choose the new order. I'm going to choose email. Then the CC is gonna be, for example, no reason. So here from the value is gonna be your email, and here from name we could add, for example, here the name of our business or our shop. So for example, we could do like tutorial shop, and the subject is order confirmation. All right, here body type plain or HTML, depending on what you want to use. I'm just gonna leave it like that. Here I'm gonna just add item name, item title, quantity, price, and that's pretty much it. Yeah, that's all I need. So I'm gonna leave it just like that for now. Thanks for your purchases. Here we can add a signature, but this is not necessary. We just have to fulfill these things, like the thing that have the red sign. Then once we are done, click on continue, click on skip test, and just like that, we have created our Zap. So now what you have done is whenever there is a new order that has been created on Shopify, our Gmail account will take this, or Zapier basically is going to take the email from Shopify, put it in Gmail, and basically let Gmail send a message that will include the order name, the order type, and basically the quantity, and basically the price, and the message that says thanks for your purchase. And basically the subsequent will order confirmation, and the email will be their email and from our email. So that's pretty much it. So we can publish it like that by clicking on publish, and it's gonna take a few seconds, and there it is. Now it is published. Now why can't I just publish it? Because basically Shopify is one of the premium apps, so to get the access to a premium app, you have to upgrade your plan to the premium plan. So unfortunately I won't be able to use it for free. That is why this space has been shown to me. But you guys, if in case you had the free tier or the premium version, that will not be a problem for you. So yeah, that was it for today's video. See you guys in the next tutorial.